Good day, everyone. Our study is entitled Compressive Strength Performance of Concrete Incorporating Quarry Dust as Partial Replacement for Cement. Concrete is one of the most widely used construction materials in the world. However, cement production contributes significantly to environmental issues such as carbon emissions. Because of this, our study explored the possibility of using quarry dust, a waste material generated during rock crushing operations, as a partial replacement for cement. The main objective of our research was to determine whether quarry dust can be used as a sustainable and cost-effective alternative material while maintaining acceptable concrete strength. By partially replacing cement with quarry dust, we aim to reduce cement consumption and promote more environmentally friendly construction practices. Quarry dust is a fine waste material that is often discarded during aggregate production. Instead of treating it as a waste, we investigated its potential application in concrete production. Using quarry dust may help reduce environmental waste and lower the demand for cement, which can contribute to more sustainable construction. For this study, we used the following materials: ordinary Portland cement, quarry dust, fine aggregate or sand, coarse aggregate or gravel, water, cylindrical PVC molds, slump cone, and compression testing machine. These materials were used to produce both the control mix and the experimental concrete mixtures. Our study followed an experimental quantitative research design. First, the materials were gathered and prepared. Concrete specimens were then produced using quarry dust replacement levels of 0%, 10%, and 20%. The specimens were cast in cylindrical PVC molds and allowed to cure. Compressive strength tests were conducted after 7, 14, and 28 days of curing using a compression testing machine. This allowed us to evaluate how different percentages of quarry dust affected the strength development of concrete over time. In conclusion, quarry dust can be incorporated into concrete as a partial replacement for cement. However, based on our findings, higher replacement levels resulted in lower compressive strength compared to conventional concrete. While quarry dust shows potential as a sustainable construction material, further studies are recommended to determine the optimum replacement percentage that balances both strength and environmental benefits. Thank you, and I would be happy to answer any questions regarding our study. Based on our results, compressive strength increased with curing time for all concrete mixtures. The control mix with 0% quarry dust produced the highest compressive strength, reaching approximately 17.07 megapascal. The 10% quarry dust mix achieved about 5.9 megapascal, while the 20% quarry dust mix recorded the lowest strength. Overall, increasing the amount of quarry dust generally reduced the compressive strength of the concrete. This may be due to the packing effect and material characteristics of quarry dust, which influence the bonding and strength development of the concrete.